It is a beautiful July 1st morning here in Payson, Arizona. This is Tamra Lee Ulmer with Arizona Resource Realty, and I am here with Tiffany McDaniel. We are getting ready to walk you through our newest listing at 406 West Moritz Street in beautiful Alpine Village. It is just a wonderful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. Great curb appeal on this one with a lot of really nice, fine features throughout. And I'm getting ready to take you inside. So let's go ahead and go on a tour here. Really a beautiful entry to this custom site-built home.
Good morning, welcome.
Good morning. So wonderful flooring. I love this openness.
They added the flooring in 2021, so it's not even a year old.
Wow, really nice and very clean.
We've got a living room, dining room combo. Over here we have your kitchen. They redid the cabinets. They added the granite countertops. You've got a propane stove, dishwasher, fridge, of course, then large pantry,
Okay,
automatic light.
Oh yeah, that's really nice.
Big laundry room with the utility sink.
Yeah, let me get over here and there we go. Yeah, that's really nice.
We've got a nice size 2-car garage.
Okay.
Alpine Village is a great neighborhood. It's a highly desirable neighborhood in Payson. Little 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square feet, 2-car garage. It's like the perfect little home. Alpine Village does not have any CCNRs, oh, well, I'm sorry, HOA. So you can Airbnb this. Obviously, it's a great little primary or secondary home. As you go down the hall, the guest bathroom is to your right. It's a full bathroom.
Okay. Yeah, that's really nice.
Coat closet, and then off to your left is the guest bedroom. It's a nice sized bedroom.
Yeah, really nice size rooms.
And a decent sized closet.
Okay.
And then we have the main bedroom. Nice big bedroom. The closet is a walk-in closet with cedar siding to it.
Oh, I love that cedar.
I know, it smells so good.
Can I just camp out in here for a minute?
And then the main bedroom's bathroom has a walk-in shower.
Okay. So we've got our main bath here. Walk-in shower. That's really nice.
And then we will go show you, there's a stairway up to the attic. The attic is not finished, so right now it will just provide tons of storage. But also, you could potentially turn it into an office space, playroom, anything you want really. It goes the length of the house.
Wow, that's nice.
And then you've got your back deck. Oh yeah, the fireplace.
Yeah.
Back deck with a nice ceiling fan.
Yeah, that's great for, I think it was 87 degrees when I got out this morning. Beautiful Payson weather.
Fully fenced backyard.
Let's take a look to the side there.
And the front has tons of parking. I don't know if Tamra pointed that out. You're allowed to park in. So I don't know if you can hear it or not, but we've got birds chirping. We got a beautiful mountain breeze through the pines. And again, it's just a really nice size backyard.
Yeah, it really is. This
Really
is really
nice.
nice.
Privacy fence on the back side. I'm gonna take you around. There's an unfinished workshop. Yeah, there's plenty of room to park an RV here.
Sure.
At one time they had one.
Okay.
Actually, I think they had about 7 vehicles here at one point. So this is the unfinished workshop area.
Yeah, that's nice.
Tinker around. It's got electricity to it.
You could do a lot with this.
You really
For
could.
sure. Nice and cool down here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for taking the tour with us today on our new property at 406 West St. Moritz in Payson, Arizona.
Yes, we appreciate you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, please give us a call. And until next time,
Make it a great day.